Question number 10, page 18. If x is equal to ABCD and y is equal to FBDG, then find x minus y minus x, and x intersection y. It's a very easy question, right? So first, x minus y. Now set x is A, B, C, D minus set y is F, B, D, G. Now difference of two set means you have to remove common elements from first set. So A, no A, B, yes, B is there. So B is common element. C, no C, D, yes, D is there. So remaining elements of set first. Remaining element of first set are your answer, that is different set. So A and C. So your answer will be A and C. Right? So second one y minus x. So set y is F, B, D, G minus x. X is A, B, C, D. So common elements from first. F, no F, B, yes, Bombay is there. Dog, yes. So remaining F, G is your answer. So F and G is answer. And third one is x intersection y. So x intersection y. X is A, B, C, D, right? Intersection y. Y is F, B, D, G, right? So intersection means common element you have to write. So now difference means you have to write remove common element from first set. Now intersection of two set means you have to write common elements which are in both A and B, means both in x and y. So no A, B is there, no C and D, right? So answer is B, D. Answer is B, D. Now R is the set of all real numbers and Q is the set of all rational numbers, right? Then what is R minus Q? So R minus Q is equal to, from set of real numbers you have to remove set of all rational numbers, means there is the remaining is the irrational numbers, right? That is I. So I is irrational number, that is your answer, irrational number I, right? Now example 20, let U is equal to this and A is equal to this, then find A dash. Now what is the definition of A dash? A dash means set of all elements of set U which are not in A, which are not in A. So U is this, that means you have to take U minus A, right? So this is only one question, so no need to write U, then write A, right? So from U common element remove, so 1 is common element, 3 is common element, 5 is common element, 7 is common element, 9 is common element. So all elements except then A from U is your U minus A. So remaining will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. That is your A dash. That is U minus A. Now given that let U be a universal set of all elements of class 11 of a co-educational school. Co-educational school means there is a boys and girls too are together in a class, right? You are also in a co-education system because in a class there is a boys and girls are together, right? Let A be the set of all girls, right? So U is equal to, what is given U? U is equal to X, where X is students of class 11. This is U. And suppose set A is given that A be the set of all girls in class 11. So X, where all girls, right? X is, here we have to write X is all girls of class 11, means if you want to find out A dash, then A dash is remove all girls from class, that is from U, means remaining is all boys of the class 11. So A dash is X, right? X is all boys of class 11, right? So this is your complement set. Now example number 22. Let U is given 1 2 3 4 5 6. So U is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Set A is given 2 3. So set A is 2 3. So this implies A dash. A dash means all elements except 2 and 3 from U, that is 1 4 5 6, right? So A dash is 1 4 5 6. Now you are master in subtraction, means difference of two set, and A dash is U minus A. So remove 2 3 from this, so remaining is 1 4 5 6, right? Set B is given, what is set B? 3 4 5. So this implies B dash is equal to, so remove 3 4 5 from U, you will get B dash. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So B dash is 1 2 6. So first answer A dash, that is your first answer is A dash is this. This is your first answer. B dash is your second answer. So no need to write first and second, we write directly there. Now A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash. Now A dash is this, that is 1 4 5 6. Intersection B dash is 1 2 6. So intersection of these two means common element of both sets are 1, no 2 and 6. So answer is 1 comma 6. This is your answer, right? Then A union B. A union B. So A is 2 3, union B is 3 4 5. So union of these two set is 2 3 4 5, right? You have to write all elements, but no repetition is allowed. So 2 3 4 5. This is your answer, right? And hence, so that A union B holds, A union B holds. So we have to take this first. So A union B holds means the set of that means elements which are in U but not in this. So you have to subtract these elements from U, that is 2 3 4 5. So remaining will be, I am writing here, this is equal to U minus A union B, right? Because definition says this, A dash is equal to U minus A. A dash is equal to U minus A. So A union B dash. So this is my hand. Hand dash is U minus hand. See, U minus hand. A dash is U minus A. So hand dash is U minus hand. Now what is U? U is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus A union B. A union B is 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 4 5. So remove these elements from the here. So what is your answer? 2 3 4 5. That is 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Hence, what they say is that, so that this is equal to A dash intersection B dash. We find out already A dash B dash intersection B dash. So say this is reason number 1 and this is reason number 2. So from 1 and 2 both are same. So from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, what we get? A union B dash, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash, right? So this is called verification of De Morgan's law, right? Now if you want to verify another De Morgan's law, that is another De Morgan's law is, this is extra, right? We are solving this thing extra. Another De Morgan's law is A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. That means first we require A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to intersection of two sets A and B is only answer 3. So answer is 3 is A intersection B. Then we require A intersection B dash. Now A intersection B dash means A intersection B dash means you have to remove element 3 from U, and U is given 1 to 6 means except 3 all elements, that is 1 2 4 5 6 1 2 4 5 6 we have to remove 3. So this is A dash or A intersection B dash, right? So this is say result number 3. Now we require A dash union B dash. So A dash union B dash is equal to, we have A dash here, B dash is, so union 1 2 4 5 6, right? So 1 2 4 5 6. So result number 4. So from 3 and 4 we verify this law also, right? So from 3 and 4 A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash, right? So you can verify De Morgan's law by this method also. Okay. Next question is question number 1 on page 20. Given that U is equal to set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, A, B and C set are given and we have to find out these all values. So first A dash. So first for solution A dash. A dash is U minus A, that you know, means you have to remove all elements of A from U. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 are gone. So what is the answer? 5 6 7 8 9. So 5 6 7 8 9. So all elements of U other than A is your A dash. Second B dash. So second B dash, that is U minus B. So remove all elements of B from U, that is 1 2 3 is missing, 4 5 is missing, 6 7 is missing, 8 and 9. So this is your B dash. Then A yoke, then A union C dash. So third one, A union C whole dash. There is complement of A union C. So means first we need A union C. So first for this set we find out A union C. Now A union C means set of all elements of A and C. So A is this. Why this making happening? 1 2 3 4. So A is 1 2 3 4 and C has 3 is already there, 4 is already there. Now 5 and 6. So this is your A union C. So therefore A union C whole dash is equal to U minus A union C. So set U minus A union C is your definition. So answer will be, remove all elements of this A union C, that is 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 5 6. So only 7 8 and 9. So answer is 7 8 and 9. You know, that's why I am not writing this U and then separating this. I am writing directly from there. You got it? Any problem? Okay, fine. So number 4. Number 4 is A union B whole dash. So first we require A union B. So first A union B. So A union B means set of all elements of A and B. So A is 1 2 3 4. So I am writing first 1 2 3 4. And B is 2 already here. 3 no already no 3. 4 is already here. 6 and 8 remaining. So this is 6 and 8. Now complement of A union B. So therefore complement of A union B whole dash is equal to ZU minus A union B. Means you have to remove this set. Sorry, these elements from set U. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not here, so we have to write 5. Right? So answer is 5, 6, 7. No 7, 8 and 9. So this is your answer 5, 7, 9. Then fifth, A dash dash complement of complement. Now A dash is here, so A dash is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now complement of A dash. So A dash dash is equal to, you have to remove these elements from U. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the answer, and that is A. And you know complement of complement is set itself, right? And 6, 1 I'm writing here, right? So 6, 1 is here. B minus C whole dash. So B minus C whole dash. For B minus C, what we require first? B minus C. Now B minus C, B is 2, 4, 6, 8 minus C is 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is no 3, 4 common element from first element. First set we have to remove 6, 6, right? So answer will be 2 and 8. So complement of B minus C dash, right? So therefore B minus C whole dash is equal to, the definition is U minus B minus C. So remove these two elements from U, right? So only 2 and 8 are removing. So removing 2 and 8, what we get? Answer will be, I am writing here 1, 2 is there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is here, and 9. This is your answer. So it's a nice practice for you, right? Okay, thank you.